Let's talk about paint. Every once in a while I do get a question of whether you paint first or install floors first. We always recommend that you install the floors first because the installation of the floors can create dust as well as potentially scrape the walls or baseboards. The paint in freshly painted rooms can take about 2 weeks to fully cure. So even though we're really careful with moving furniture, bringing in materials, and our demolition, it is possible for us to scrape or scratch walls, cabinets, and furniture as we're going through this process. I don't want to make it sound like we're careless, but the back of carpet is like sandpaper. So when that goes up on the baseboards, that can scratch the baseboards themselves. Also, during installation or demolition, and there's a lot of banging involved, you can potentially see nail pops. Nail pops are common in this area because of how the homes were built in the early 2000s and before. They used nails to hang drywall instead of screws. So when we're doing a bunch of banging during either demolition or installation, you could see a nail pop. They're pretty easy to fix and it's normal, but we just want you to be aware just in case you have to hire someone else to come fix that. If you have a specific question that I didn't address in this video, please reach out to us and we're happy to help. We look forward to seeing you on installation day.